What's up, everyone? I got this new package the other day, and it's from Camplux. It's their new water heater. It's called the Nano 3 Pro. So this is what the Nano 3 Pro looks like out of the box. Let's go ahead and put it together. There you go. We are all set up. So what I'm going to do is use this collapsible sink in my sink. Let's go ahead and turn on the pump and fill this with water. And then we are going to take the blue hose and submerge it into the water. We're going to do an indoor shower inside the camper. This is the shower. I got 2 shower curtains because one wasn't long enough to wrap around. Hung a shower curtain up on the ceiling of the camper. I got some hooks on the back wall there. And this pan right here, this is actually a foldable dog pool. That's going to catch all the water. Fire extinguisher. Always have that out. Make sure it's ventilated. Windows are open. I also have the rear hatch and tailgate open. If you can't leave it open, might want to use this outside. Outdoor use only. Got my towel. I'm going to turn on the pump. Got the camp suds. Ooh, it's nice and warm. So to conserve water, I turn it off. I'll go ahead and soak myself. Turn off the pump. All soaked up. Turn the pump back on. Hear the flame kick on. Ooh, that's hot. The temp is at 102. It stayed at 102 the whole time, so turn the pump off. Turn off the power. And I'm gonna dry off. That shower was a success, and it's nice being able to take a nice warm shower at camp. Once again, the Camplux Nano 3 Pro. It's fairly new, and if you're interested in this product, check the link in the description below, and it'll take you to their website. And also in the link I'll have my discount code, so you can save a few bucks if you order it. Anyways, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.